Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Cancer at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung anong mensahe ang mapipick up po natin para sa buwan ng Pebrero. Pero bago pong lahat, babatiin ko po kayo ng isang magandang at masayang Happy Valentine's Day. Love language affirmations. Okay. Guided steps to great love. And rendezvous. Okay, so Cancer, yung love language ng person mo, it could be you, is affirmation. Ito yung pagbibigay ng yung mga words, no? Yung pagsasabi ng I love you, yung pagpapahiwatig talaga na mga bagay na nakakapagpabigay o kilig sa iyong puso, sa iyong damdamin, di ba? At itong rendezvous kasi is something na baka magkita kayo, no? Yung tipong magkikita kayo and then kasi may pupuntahan kayong dalawa lang. Something like that, no? Kaya kung gaba parang magtatagpo kayo sa isang lugar na pag-usapan nyo na doon kayo mag-meet. And then eventually, of course, ang purpose nun is to be with each other, to get to know each other more, spend time with each other, yung mga ganun. And of course, guided steps to great love this is something kasi very highly spiritual, no? When you say that you follow the path of ascension. Ascension is, di ba, yung pag-angat. Now, mga spiritual people kasi, they're very, very sensitive pagdating dito sa mga, kung how the spirit works within them. Lalo na kung they feel that they are being parang guided o kaya yung pinapaalam ba sa kanila kung ano yung dapat na gawin sa isang relationship na to. So yun yung at para ka maging mas aware sa relationship na to, something like that, no? And nakakatulong kasi yun if you are really kung parang aware or yung binibigyan mo ng value o binibigyan mo importansya yung nararamdaman mo na if the spirits or if your angels are really talking to you and telling you na ito yung gawin mo sa kanya o dito kayo pumunta o ito yung planuhin mo, mga ganon. Kung binibigyan mo ng halaga yon, nakakatulong talaga yon sa pagganda ng relationship nyo. Kasi hindi ka naman basta-basta, alam mo yon, hindi ka imamali ng spirit mo. So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung message mapipick up natin. We have the 8 of Cups, the Chariot, the Empress, the 2 of Wands, and the Lovers. Bottom niya, Cancer, is Temperance. Okay, so here, Yung Temperance dito is an energy coming from my Sagittarius, and ang sinasabi niya kasi dito is you need to learn how to balance yourself pagdating syempre sa relationship. Hindi kasi syempre maganda or hindi ka magiging ganun ka-effective as a partner kung meron kang kailangan pang ayusin sa sarili mo, di ba? Kasi sometimes, kung iisipin mo bakit hindi kami nagkatuluyan nung dati ko, yung ex ko, kasi di ba meron kayong mga incompatibilities o may mga sitwasyon na para talagang pinupush kayo to be apart, magkahiwalay kayo o magkahiwalay kayo. Kasi nga, ang purpose lang nun, maybe your person, kung ba't mo siya na-meet, is for you to learn from each other. Yung turuan ka, turuan mo siya. So, yung learning process na yun, it progresses. Hindi lang isa, dalawa, depende kung ilan yung magiging relationship mo sa future. Now, yung purpose kasi no, kung bakit, di ba, nakakamit tayo is nga para to continuously improve ourselves no, pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Once you have really, kung balance yourself, na alam mong naitama mo na yung mga pagkakamali mo o natuto ka dun sa dati mong relationship, and you kept that, yung learnings na yon. Kahit na sabihin natin na matagal na, no? Matagal ka nang naghihintay o matagal mo nang matagal na tong naganap, you will have that wish fulfillment with the 9 of Cups. Okay? Magkakatotoo yun. Kasi I think because you've been very patient, waiting for that moment, for its fulfillment. Para iniintay mo yung time na dadating ito magkatotoo. Kung ba? Okay? So, yung parang reward kasi sa'yo dito is because you took all those lessons with you. Winork out mo yon. Kung ba, inayos mo yung sarili mo. No? Kahit na matagal yung proseso, matagal yung pinag-intay mo. But at the end, you will meet or you will have that wish fulfillment. Now, yung first card mo dito, Cancer, is the 8 of Cups. So, yung past mo, somebody walk away. No? Either you or your person. So, in other words, may paghihiwalay. May nagkahiwalay o nagkahiwalay talaga. No? You split up. May nag-walk away nga eh. Now, ano ba yung naging challenge? Kasi, somebody made a decision. May nag-decide na, no, I want to move forward. Ayoko ng ganito lang. So, definitely, somebody felt na kailangan magkaroon ng developments, pag-angat, paglaki, pagiging abundant or something to do with growth, no? Kaya maybe you, Cancer, you took this Empress energy na baguhin, no? Baguhin yung sarili mo to really uplift yourself, itaas yung standard mo to show that you are an Empress, that you are abundant, that people chased you, okay? Ito yung standard ko na ako hinahabol, hindi ako nangahabol. And yung intention ko dito is of course for me to really find that true love, yung that my true partner in life. Kasi if I would stick to this very good standard, no? Standard of being an Empress na talagang mataas, kagalang-galang, isang babae na nagbibigay ng alam mo yon, yung very progressive sa buhay. Maganda, maayos, mapagmahal. Ang mangyayari is, of course, dadating yung lover ko, yung totoo kong lover. Na with the lover. This is an energy coming from a Gemini. Now, Empress, of course, is Taurus or Libra. And, again, this is Cancer. Yung mga zodiac sign nakikita ko dito, okay? But not necessarily. Ngayon, tignan natin bakit andito yung 8 of Cups. We have the 8 of Wands, the 4 of Swords, and the 3 of Cups. So, may umalis kasi, I think there were really that communication that you receive, no? Telling you na merong third party, that there was a third party involved. That is why you felt na kailangan talagang magpahinga muna o kailangan umalis dito sa relationship na to kasi syempre hindi ko naman pahintulutan na 3 kami, diba? Hindi naman tama yon. A news, no, isang balita na nakaabot sa akin na may third party yung person ko, no, but andito yung Chariot, the Wheel of Fortune, the 8 of Swords, and the 9 of Cups. So, nag-decide ako, no? I wanted out. I wanted movement. So, kailangan umalis ako doon sa relationship na yun because I want change, no? Gusto ko mabago yung magiging destiny ko. Because sa ngayon, things are not really clear on my mind. And what I wanted to do is to really focus on myself. Ipakita ko, no, sa aking sarili na kaya ko to be on my own, to be independent, to earn money, and to really enjoy myself, to be self-sufficient without anybody's help. Bakit andito yung Empress? We have the Queen of Wands, the Hangman, and the Emperor. Now, kung ganito yung energy na gusto ko mangyari, to be independent, having my own, and talagang, alam mo yon, yung hindi kailangan ng kahit sino, sarili lang niya sapat na. Because I know my qualities, you know, I know what I can offer. Alam ko yung passion ko. I know yung kung ano yung capabilities ko as a person. I know how to take care of myself. Alam ko attractive ako. I could really manage by my own. And not waiting for anybody to come into my life, no? Not waiting for that emperor to come into my life. Though kung titingnan mo yung Empress at saka Emperor andito. So kung gaba match, may match. No, hindi mo iniintay na dumating yung kamatch mo kasi confident ka eh. Kaya mo, pinatunayan mo dito. No? Pinatunayan mo na kaya ko mag-isa. Kaya umabot ka sa ganitong level eh na Empress. Diba? Sabi ko, ikaw yung hinahabol, hindi ikaw yung nangahabol. You see the Queen of Wands, how beautiful she is. How attractive she is. No, ganun, mas lalo na yung Empress. Kasi nga, in-improve mo talaga yung sarili mo eh, Cancer. You really did everything to improve yourself. Bakit andito yung Two of Wands? We have the Strength, the High Priestess, and the Five of Coins. Now you are making that decision. You're making the decision to be confident, use your intuition, para wala kang pagre-regret, para wala kang panghihinayang, o yung pakiramdam mo na hindi ka binigyan ng importansya, that you were ignored, or that feeling of not being given that attention, that importance, no? Yun yung ayaw mo eh. Kaya nga, ang gagawin mo, gagamitin mo yung iyong intuition, ang iyong charm, iyong confidence level, yung papakita mo na yung courage mo, no? Yung lakas ng loob, to do all of this. Bakit andito yung Lover? We have the Queen of Coins, the Magician, and the Ten of Pentacles. So yung lover mo, Cancer, might be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or it could be a Gemini, no? Kasi alam mo, yung lover na to na dadating is somebody that is stable, who knows how to use yung kanyang gift, no? Yung mga regalo sa kanya, o ibig sabihin yung kanyang talent, yung kanyang intelligence, yung kanyang passion. Alam niya gamitin lahat yun, yung kanyang galing sa pagko-communicate. Gagamitin niya lahat yan to achieve this, to achieve yung Ten of Pentacles, to having it all. Having that person, or fulfilling everything that you wanted. The security and the stability that you wanted for such a long time. No, yun. Kaya kung gaba parang, ang sinasabi kasi dito, Cancer, is, oo, may umalis, no? Kaya nagkaroon ka ng paghihiwalay for reasons of maybe there was a third party involved. Kaya ikaw, hindi ka na tinag o natumba dahil doon, kung hindi mas lalo mong pinatunayan sa kanila na, o sa kanya na, okay lang kahit wala ka sa buhay ko kasi kaya ko mag-isa. I could stand up on my own and really develop myself into somebody na talagang nakaangat, mataas ang maaabot. No? Because I know I'm who I am. I am confident who I am. I am using my intuition. Kaya hindi pwedeng hindi ako, kung ba parang alam ko yung move ko is the right one to do. Because eventually I know I will be attracting the right person in my life. Which is what? Somebody who is stable and secure and loyal, logical and practical about life. That would provide me the Ten of Pentacles. Okay? So, Cancer, napakaganda niya. Maybe this person is, yung love language niya is mapagsalita nga siya eh. Kung ba ine-express niya maigi yung kanyang damdamin. It might be because, di ba, I told you that there is this Gemini. The Gemini normally speaks, no? 2 cards that would say Gemini. You might be dealing with a Gemini, Cancer. O may Gemini siya sa kanyang chart. Okay? So, yun. This is what I'm trying to say na kung hindi maganda yung nangyari before sa past, eventually it will come out to be a success sa'yo sa dulo, no? Meeting the right person because you've changed, binago mo yung sarili mo, no? Pinatunayan mo na kaya mo without anybody, and that's why eventually you will be attracting the right person or partner sa buhay mo. Okay? So, ano yung message is demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. Oh, yes. Diba? Umaksyon ka. Now, tanong natin kung kailan mamimit ni Cancer yung person na. Next month. Wow. Next month. Something to look forward. And then, tingnan natin yung characteristics nitong person mo. Cancer. Matapang. Yes, I told you, di ba? Matapang. Asa siya? Ito. Strength is matapang. Matulungin. Helpful. It's nice. Funny. Maganda yun kasi may sense of humor. Passionate. Passionate, di ba? I told you yung dito, saan na yung Queen of Wands natin. Very passionate siya. Oh, soulmate mo. Kaya naman pala eh. And makulit. Wow. So, yun yung most likely, just for you to have an idea, Cancer, kung ano yung itsura niya. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa iyo, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.